when you're a kid, chances are high that you don't have a job or a career.
Yet.
But even if you're not working, I bet you know something about money.
It's how Abuela buys my cookie stuff.
And how you buy my dino nuggets.
That's right, how we pay for Hootie's speech lessons.
And how you get me extra eyeballs.
Well, Dilla's eyeball rich.
Yep. And don't forget, there are so many songs about money.
That is true.
Money.
Must be funny.
If I were a rich man.
La 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 la.
Money makes the world go around, the world go around, the world go around. She works hard for the money.
Hey, big spender!
We're in the money.
We're in the money.
We've got a lot of what it takes to get along.
See that? Money even inspires music. But how to get it? Then how to use it wisely. Because as money is telling us on the cover right here, I don't grow on trees. It does not. Have you seen a tree growing money? Right away, the book greets us with pictures of things that money can buy. For example, a giant beverage and a skateboard and singing lessons and pizza.
Where I get my pizza, I don't need any money.
White Rat eats Subway floor pizza.
Don't knock it till you try it.
I am money and I don't grow on trees.
I am money. Some people like to think that I grow on trees, but I don't. If I did, I wouldn't be worth very much. Tweet, 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 tweet. Turns out I'm worth a lot. If you have me, you can buy the basic things in life that everybody needs. You can buy a purple houseboat with green shutters.
Charming, but not for the seasick.
You can buy fuzzy patchwork pants.
Rocking those. And ooh, the star ones are on sale.
You can buy some pizza.
Unless you're White Rat.
And you can even buy a guinea pig if you want one. I want one.
One of what?
One of everything.
I think Green Bear already forgot the part about money not growing on trees. That was quick.
When it comes to the basics, I can make you happy. But no matter how hard I try, I can't make you happier. What? I may be valuable, but your value in life has nothing to do with how much money you can buy. But why not? Stuff makes me happy.
Well, of course, buying stuff is fun and exciting, but real, lasting happiness doesn't come from the stuff you buy. It comes from being surrounded by friendship and by people who love you.
Like me, Green Bear.
Living a life that feels meaningful.
And having peace of mind.
And knowing that you matter in the world. Because you do.
So then, money is still good to have, but it's not everything?
Now you're getting it, Green Bear.
I wear a lot of different outfits. These are my old school jackets. I love how shiny they are.
Oh, look at that. Different versions of the coins and different versions of paper money and how the old-fashioned gold coins. Yeah, money has always kind of had a makeover over the years.
Sometimes I like to dress up in my digital and crypto clothes.
Very modern.
And these are my credit card coats. Once in a while, when I'm wearing them, they try to convince me to buy stuff that costs more money than I have.
Like a super-sized houseboat with an amazing super slide for your guinea pig. Woohoo! Let's get it! For sale. What a bargain.
This makes people happy at first, but then later when they get the bill,
payment due, they feel stressed out, worried, and sometimes sad because they know they overdid it and they can't afford it.
Please, don't do that again.
And he's putting away those credit cards that made him overspend. But nothing. You go into the drawer.
There are 4 kinds of things all kids need to know about money. I'm listening. How to earn me, how to save me, how to spend me, and most of all, how to give me away. What? No, it's so hard to get money, and now I'm supposed to give it away?
Okay, Green Bear, remember how you love to put $1 inside the hat of a musician who's playing on the street?
Yeah, I like to show them that they're doing a good job.
And you love to put $1 in the basket at church?
Yeah, that makes me feel good.
Or that time that we donated money to that lady whose house blew away in the storm?
Yeah, it felt important to help.
See, you like to give money.
Oh, okay, I get it. I thought I had to give it all away, but I get to keep some for myself.
Well, of course. There are lots of ways to earn money. You can mow lawns. You can make a lemonade stand and sell lemonade. Oh, this is so refreshing. You can sing for people.
Can't buy me love, love.
Very nice. We'll throw $1 in the guitar case later.
You can even let a banker or an investor use a part of me and lend it to others. You work hard to earn me, and if you're careful and smart about it, I can end up working for you. Now that's interesting. Interesting as in gaining interest on that money. So all that money is out there working hard for you to grow itself. Every time you earn me, put some of me in your savings jar. Use a clear jar.
Now, why should we use a clear jar, Money?
Some people like to put me inside of a dark pig. I don't like that because I can't see out and you can't watch me grow. Oink, oink.
Oh, I never thought that the money would want to view. That makes sense. Also, I noticed that they put 15% as sort of a guideline for how much money you should save of the money that you make. But if you're a kid and if you can afford it, save as much of it as you possibly can.
Saving money for a rainy day is important. Sometimes things can happen that we just don't plan on.
Like, we need a new tire.
P.S. If you want to use me once in a while and it's not raining, that's okay too. I love it when you spend me on things that you really want to buy, like purple bubble gum or a new bike horn.
Or tickets to the brand new Megaplex movie that's now playing. Or saving up, like StoryTeller did, to take the whole family on a trip to Niagara Falls.
Yeah, like that. Or a super fantabulous light-up yo-yo and even, guinea pig stuff.
Oh, it looks like guinea pig stuff includes a book, How to Win Friends and Influence Guinea Pigs. A classic. It's a funny thing, but I read the version of that book for people. Life-changing. Highly recommend.
Wow, so much stuff. But don't let me burn a hole in your pocket. I mean, if you waste me on things that you don't really want or need, I feel worthless.
I get it. Money only wants to be spent on things that matter. And I only want to spend money on things that matter, not on stuff that ends up just being meh, clutter in the house.
My favorite thing that you can spend me on is you.
Oh, tell me more.
How to invest in yourself. Like investing in your education so you could be the most brilliant version of you possible, get an amazing job, and be able to buy things that you think you really want in your life. I love it. Invest in yourself. I am so happy when you use me to get better at the things that you love to do. And again, another excellent book, Building a Better Me.
Investing in yourself, building a better you. I'm liking this.
I can pay for trombone lessons.
Sounding excellent.
And art classes.
Guinea, you're looking fabulous.
And zoo school.
Zoo school, who would have thought?
Always keep in mind, you are your very best asset. If you can become really good at what you love to do, you can make more of me than you will ever need.
You know what? That is such a truth bomb that I'm going to read it again.
If you can become really good at what you love to do, what happens? You can make more of money than you will ever need. And then you can do the coolest thing ever. You can share.
So we went from having one guinea pig to a whole guinea pig rescue?
I like to share because sharing is caring. But, what's the best way to share? Because I want to do it the best way.
Well, it's actually different for everyone.
Well, how would you share it?
Well, I try to share now in small ways, but if I had a giant pile of money, my dream would be to, be able to do a scholarship for a KidTime StoryTimers to study, or be able to build a library somewhere. I mean, that's a gigantic dream, but, we're working towards that.
I like to donate to bird rescue sanctuaries. And I like to donate to causes to look for a cure for cancer.
And even if you don't have a big pile of money, just $1 inside a tip jar for a musician or somebody who's working hard is a way of giving and sharing. And another way to share is if you have enough money, but then you have extra time because you don't have to work so hard, you can volunteer yourself.
I am money, and I don't grow on trees.
Talent show, sharing your gifts. See, our money is sharing the gift of himself and his talents while the lemonade is pouring and the birds are chirping and everyone's having a great time. And time is a very valuable thing to also donate and share with others because there's a saying that says, time is money. And that also doesn't grow on trees. So use it wisely.